Hey, hi, hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be looking into how to develop monthly automated data extraction application in Qlik Sense. For this scenario, we'll be looking into extracting the data for completed last month. So currently we are in June of 2020. So we'll be looking into extracting the data for May of 2020. For doing that, right, so we are using here two variables. We'll try to understand that, and here is the variable which is making sure what is the name of the QED. You can have it anything for our purposes, right? For now I'll do this stage 1 orders 2022 temp. Okay, and yeah, let's try to understand these variables here. Okay, I'll first of all comment this. I'll copy this. Today with 1 as a parameter gives us today's date, and let's try to confirm it using the trace statement. Trace and exit script are my two favorite functions for debugging. So you can also use that whenever you are handling whenever you are working with automated variables. So it is very useful in understanding what variable is. I know you can do it from debugging as well, but I found trace useful as compared to debugging, so that's personal choice. So let's run this. See, when I run this, I get today's date. Now as I want to extract data for the previous month, right, in the MinDate I want 1st of May 2022. For that I'll now use MonthStart function. MonthStart with no parameters will give me the start of this month state. So let's confirm that. So here you can see I am getting the 1st of June. Now to get the date of previous month, right, here I'll do a -1. Let's confirm this again. Now I am getting 1st of May, and this is correct. But while you are developing this automated dates, right, what you need to make sure is this date format matches with the date format within the backend. So let's get into the backend, that is my backend table, and here you can see this is YYYY-MM-DD format, right? We'll convert that using the date function. Okay, now we are good. This matches the format within the backend. Let me quickly remove this. Now here within this function, this variable, right, what I'm getting is MonthStart, that is this month's first date. Okay, and as I'm getting the first date of this month, right, what I'm only doing is a less than, I'm not doing equal to. So I'm getting only the data for May. I hope that's clear. Now before starting this extraction, right, I would need to also take you through the rest of the script. So here within this part, right, I'm extracting the data using the variables. Okay, and here I have added a if condition, right? So if we already have the data, right, we might have previous data as well. We don't only have May's data, right, we might have also data for the previous months, right? And if you want to have that data dump within your Qlik Sense environment, right, so you can also store that, and you can concat your new data as well, right? So for that, basically I'm checking if this QED exists, the orders QED exists within our environment. If yes, then it will concat this data. If it doesn't, it will directly store that data. Okay, so firstly, whenever you want to develop data extract for a new QED, right, new data set, right, you need to extract the previous data, right? So to pull the historical dump, right, what I'll do is I'll use the MinDate, that is till 1st of May, and I will pull the prior year's data, right? So what I'll do is I'll remove this. When I run this, it will create a historical dump for the data before before the month of May, that is till 30th April. And it will also not check for this data because as this QED doesn't exist, so it will pull the data and it will only store that QED. As you saw, it didn't concatenate. Now let's try extracting the data for the month of May. Also before this, let's try to validate we were able to pull the data till the month of April. So here you can see the max date is 30th April. So we were able to pull successfully data till April. And as you can see, the data starts from 1st of January 2016. So we were able to successfully pull the historical data. Now let's try to pull the data for month of May and concatenate with the existing QED. So now here you can see this is the part where it is concatenating. Now if I load this QED again, right, so we will be able to see the data till the month of May. Now here you can see we have extracted the data of month of May as well. I hope till now you are able to understand what we have done. Now let's try to pull for the current month, and today's date is 12th, right? So let's try to pull till 11th. Okay. For that, first I'll remove the -1 from the min date. Now it will start from 1st of June. Here I will remove the month start. And add a -1. Now when I load this data, right, I'll have also the data for the month of June till yesterday. Okay, so here as you can see we were able to load the data till June. So I guess I missed to add the equal to here. I missed to add the equal to here, due to which it only loaded till 10th of June. But I hope you understand the concept, and also you make sure you add a equal to if you want data till yesterday. Also there is one catch with this method. If this works seamlessly if you have only insert only operation in your database tables, but if you in your database update and deletes are also performed in your tables, right, then this won't be an effective method. For that I'll make a separate video explaining how to pull data for that scenarios as well. If you are interested, make sure you comment them in the comment section below. And also this application can be run only once in a month, and if you run it one more time, right, within a same month, so what will happen is it will pull the data again for that same month, right, and it will create a duplication. And how to do deduplication, right, for that I'll make a separate video again. For that, make sure you subscribe. If you learned something new from this video, make sure you hit on the like button. Also make sure you share these videos with other clickies you know who will find this video useful. Until next time, have a good time.